guys, welcome back. In this video we'll be running Tempest. I'm running a full Arcane Harnessing set as a tank with lost Stopwatch. So starting with the headpiece, Arcane Harnessing, refreshing health. The chest piece is Dark Plate with refreshing. The hands, Harnessing, ward, refreshing. The pants, Harnessing, ward, refreshing. And then the shoes, Harnessing, ward, health. And for the shield, I'm running the Night Veil Tower Shield at 675 GS. Doesn't affect the GS overall, still above 695. With refreshing move, shield defense, flame conditioning, and slash shield ward. Main hand, I'm running the Butcher with Augmented Empowered. And my offhand, I'm running a GS with Empowered, Relentless Freedom, Trenchant Strikes, Life Stealing. My rune, as always, is Brutal Vines. The amulet is Lost Stopwatch, so continuing on from Eniad and Laz, Sunny Gaze, activate Taunt Gems and generate 300% more threat. Previously, I had to actually equip 620% threat because the group was doing way too much damage and I had like no chance at holding aggro. So I started at 620 threat with the shield, so I had Hated on the shield, Despise on the earring, and Stopwatch. And then as we ran, I slowly got rid of one piece after another. But I had some issues with Taunt in Tempest. I don't know if it's a bug or not, but I think having threat really helps if your group's doing way too much damage, so you can maintain aggro. Because if you don't make contact with mobs or bosses as you play, you will lose aggro, the team will die. My ring is Arcane Damage, Hardy Bloodletting. It's the best one I have at the moment. I'm still trying to save materia to roll as offering with Arcane Damage, because Bloodletting I've already got on the Butcher, but that'll do for now. And my earring has Despise, Healing Heart, Regenerating. My attributes are 303 Strength, 304 Con. This is the SnS Mastery. This is the GS Mastery. So my Nation Tun set is light with 360 Strength, 100 Dex, 151 Con. It's all Arcane. So the headpiece is Arcane Refreshing Health. The gloves are Arcane Enchanted Refreshing. The pants are Arcane Enchanted Health. And the shoes are Arcane Enchanted Refreshing. I'm running the Butcher still with Augmented Empowered, and my hatchet has a straight Saphhire with Refreshing Torrent, Vicious, Keenly Empowered. And the ring's the same as my heavy set with Arcane Hardy Bloodletting. And my shield is Vicious, Enchanted Ward, Shield Aggression, Keenly Empowered. This is the weapon mastery for the hatchet. So as you can see, the Corrupted are 30% weaker to Arcane. So as a tank or DPS, if you have the pieces of gear to put together, run full Arcane Harnessing and you can get between 15 to 17% more Arcane damage. That's on top of the 30% effectiveness. And I think why not? Because you want those extra numbers to squeeze in there, and it makes a whole lot of difference for the run. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section down below. And if you did enjoy this video, do leave me a like and subscribe. Smash that bell button for notifications, and I'll see you in the run. Peace.
Yep, ready.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, stop. I just realised it was fireworks that off like super late behind me. Shit was pretty funny.
You go first.
Right.
I got stuck on something. Archers in.
Yeah, Sunny.
I've got that shit on me.
On the mage, front of the wall, Sunny.
I'm gonna go Purge.
Yeah, I'm gonna go aggro the other one.
Crawlers coming in.
Him, Sunny.
Yeah, crawlers coming
Yeah,
in.
I'm coming around the side.
2 more crawlers coming.
Yeah, I got him, I got him.
Let's go right here, Bummy, from this move.
Yep.
On the second one. Yarn's on the third one. I'm almost done. 50. 3, 2, 1.
Clear out, clear out.
Grab middle.
Nice warrior, please.
There's another push behind. Plants.
Don't worry about me.
All's almost done.
Yeah, yep. Head
2,
towards the door.
1. Done. Done.
Just finishing this mage. Mage is dead.
Yeah, you still got time. You still got time.
Good.
skip. I'm gonna taunt this anyway, just in case you get whacked. Come through. Just gap me, just in case.
I'll get the gather. I'm
I
last.
don't immediately aggro.
I'll get this gather here so you can get the rocks.
Tincture too. I'll get the first one.
Let me know if you get aggro, I'll turn.
I one tapped. I can get it on. Mummy, get you go.
Yeah, bring
go.
it. Bring
Yeah,
it
yeah.
on. Bring it on.
Yeah, it goes on me.
Yeah, I one tapped the first one. Yeah.
Just tuck the corner here so they all come in.
Yep.
Oh, I've got like 3 seconds. I got it.
So,
I got the gather. Coming now.
Barley.
Nice. What's the timing? Rising?
The mage come in late.
Yeah, I've got
Pushing him in.
stun in about 1 second.
Yeah, they're
Two
right here,
mages.
right here,
They're
right
Go, go,
here,
go.
right here. Grab,
Got it,
grab.
got it.
Crawler's coming.
Crawlers,
Nice,
crawlers,
nice,
crawlers.
nice. Whereabouts? I could
They're
have
in.
retaunted there. Oh, binds. Binds. Perfect. Let's go.
And they shall be battered by the mighty winds, break their strength.
You ready for crawlers? Up and barley.
Yeah, I'm on the
Nice.
acolyte. I'm gonna retaunt. Just go to the name, give them Sacred Day, and I'll pull these all away from you.
He silenced.
Yeah, I propped it.
Come in to give me the cleanse. I'm just gonna hold these here.
Check the sacred. Thanks, almost dead.
Nice.
Dead.
Over here, one more here. Good shit.
There's on sometime.
Yeah.
Bringing the
Yeah,
other
the
one
guy.
in. Yeah, bring him.
Yeah,
He's
go.
compost, so just get careful.
Yeah. Get this musket with
I'm
need
in.
help.
He's dead.
Use the orb.
I'm barling this. He keeps healing.
Good ledge game. Isn't it? don't have vines.
Neither. It's alright.
Same.
I'll have it pretty soon. Okay. So you vines, yeah.
Just wait for the grab and the shield bash,
Yeah.
and otherwise you'll get caught. I'm gonna save stun.
Fitting. Guys, it's back.
Oh my god. Never seen a guy get closed out.
Cleanse, 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 cleanse.
And they shall be
No
lashed
silence?
by
Nice.
tongues of darkness, purged of their sin.
Taking it back.
Deeper still they shall come, beyond sadness, beyond death.
No silence.
Nice.
Jabbing.
Oh my god, I was trying to show. Watch the nature coming. Put him wilder.
We need a ball for the next pull. At least two, maybe even.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go straight to Tron.
Save one when they're all like. Just call for it, I guess. Alex.
Yeah, I'll call you, I'll call you.
I've only got a quarter on my charge, so somebody
Yeah,
else
mine
can
is
have
full.
this.
Yeah, Fami can go first. Yours should be charged.
Ah,
right?
Shrivel,
Cleanse,
turn around,
cleanse,
get
cleanse,
Shrivel.
It's alright, don't worry about me. Kill the musket.
cleanse. Yeah.
I'll get the moat on the radio.
I'll get the Ori.
Alright.
Tell me if you have aggro, because I'll stop.
No.
No silence as well.
I'm watching, I'll call you for file. Wait, not yet, not yet.
Finding.
Not yet, don't use file yet. Scream Yan. Drop file now.
Finish it. I'm balling. Get the rose.
I can't with the thing. That would kill them.
And behold, they will gaze upon the face of their fear, the champion of their doom.
Lol.
Mind and spirit,
Jesus.
the champion shall pass.
I'll go up top here, Bobby.
Alright.
Hear me, maybe? Nice, he jumped in. Perfect.
Holding.
Musk is still there. Good.
Almost finished one. Run down there.
Yep. Bring him in.
Yeah, bring him in.
Fuck it.
Bring him in, bring him in. I'll
Alright.
I'll triple taunt if I need to. I'm just gonna pull him in deep behind Isabella.
Do the rape thing, Rami.
Yep. Every beast up.
And make sure we bring that guy in as well.
And so the champion rises above all in power. Glory. Beg on your knees for death.
Oh, what?
I didn't think it was gonna reach from there.
Beg on your knees for death.
I'm getting out. Oh, actually I think we should just kill.
Kill, kill, kill.
Yeah.
Almost there, 10%. Dead.
Be no
Nice,
reprieve,
yeah.
I got it, I got it.
no mercy.
Bro, that reach is crazy.
It was a little
I
bit
didn't
slow,
think
but it wasn't
was
actually so bad because we brought the guy in, so it actually wasn't too bad. We saved time by not stopping to kill him.
Someone get this one on the left. I'm
Yeah,
gonna get
on
right.
it.
Yeah.
Shit.
Speed boys.
Yeah.
Yeah, get your shrivel.
Oh, well,
I
well,
think I
good.
got
We're
it
just
already.
we're just holding and torching. Tinks, Sigs.
Just be careful. Just we've all been down here.
It's about dead. Die.
On the shores of
Watch your back. Watch your six. Watch your six.
find one
Yeah.
sliver of
Somebody else get on the cannon? Actually, I can get on there. I'll get the 10 up after.
Oh.
Oh wait, fuck! Oh no, 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 help!
Go back.
I'm on the cannon. I'm on the cannon.
Get it, shoot it. Just got like one shot. Like it did that thing where it ran out of juice, you know?
You had a crawler right behind you as well.
Okay, let me stop. Yeah, I'm gonna stick this to you, Jan. Oh wait, fuck! I have to put this in there.
I feel like it takes like a lot more shots to kill. Just care here. Kill these 5 and then we need 6. It's actually pretty cruisy. I thought we'd need a lot more, to be honest. Nice.
Silence? Yep.
Suppressor.
Shoot, shoot.
Just watch your 6, that butcher might aggro.
Where are we fighting here?
I'm just trying to aggro them to see if they come in. You just fight here, fight here. Okay, watch your 6, watch your 6.
Mage has been aggro as okay.
I'm leaving out, I'm gonna go aggro him. That's an 89.
Just go shrine, I think. Just go
Yeah,
shrine.
yeah.
Nice,
Kill what you
place there.
can. Let's go.
Watch the mage.
Mage. Hit the shrine. Make sure you hit the shrine.
Watch your 6.
Drop and bow.
Checking them. Yeah, 92. One more.
Pulling them away.
Get yarn him.
Pull him away, pull him away. Get in here now. Hands up, make sure
Yeah,
you
we need like
shrine
one
here.
more basically. We need one more.
Over here, over here, over here, over here.
Got it.
Is that done?
Alright, yeah,
Yep,
go.
done.
Holy shit, there's a lot. Bring in the cleanse. Just keep moving, I'll keep these guys off you.
Guy coming in, care. Axe guy.
I get the rest.
Grabbing to keep him away off you. Sacred here, young.
Watch your 6. Don't forget together.
Getting the what?
Yeah, get the
Is that all of them? Wait,
No, it's
the
not.
priest is still alive. The priest is still alive.
The priest. Oh my god.
Alright, he's dead.
Heal.
Jesus.
Alright, he was healing because of compost mobs.
Yeah.
So we got exactly 100 already. Change. Yeah, let's go. Starting or?
Yeah. Come, Yan, get in. Tail whip.
Doing it now? Body.
Trying to track this guy is honestly a task and a half. I just walk him away from there.
Yeah, Cal. Oh.
Yeah, I'm on.
Careful, tail whip.
Tail whip, tail whip.
Oh, RNG.
Oh,
God
yeah.
damn.
I thought I just deadoed.
Nice Dedo.
No, but I thought I just deadoed though. I don't understand.
Oh,
Like, I accidentally pressed it there, but I thought I deliberately went to press it. I thought I saw somebody else's deadoed and I thought that was mine. I don't know. Kill all the other ones. Just hold this. Kill all the other ones.
Watch your slam, watch your slam, watch your slam.
fuck. We might actually. Oh, I was gonna say, we get the RNG, we might actually kill him even with the ball. Don't dig. RNG one time. No.
Oh, fuck.
Probably should have stayed in instead of going for the ball.
Yeah, honestly, bro. Like, I think in retrospect, yeah. But
I didn't even think it was like melting it that quick though. I was just like tunnel vision on the ball, like yep.
you did the right thing, Kev. Take the hit, take the hit. One, two, where's the other guy? He's all
Right.
out?
Yeah, yeah.
Alright.
He started.
And at long last, the fools shall know their true purpose. That she would feast upon their souls.
I'm just gonna interact. I'll just tell you where it's at.
Yeah. Just get her low.
Yeah,
Get
I'm
her
gonna
low.
give you surely.
Just get her low and we'll just chill.
Bring my death.
Watch
Watch
out,
out,
watch out, watch
Zex.
out.
Oh, okay. I'm on it now already.
Spinning, she's
She's
yeah, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch
flying.
out. She's flying, she's
I'm on
flying.
it.
She's flying, she's
50
flying.
or- Alright.
Come to me, come to me.
Am I good to go?
Ah, wait, wait, wait.
On it.
Alright, drop it, just drop it, just drop it, just drop it, drop it, drop it.
Yep, 3,
Hold on,
2,
hold on, Kev, hold on, hold on.
1,
Go, Kev, go, go, go.
Now.
Easy.
Nicely done.
No, Kev.
Yeah, free.
Worth.
Pay that. We'll take that.
You're lucky you said something, Helen, so I was about to fall in love.
Yeah, fuck. There we go. 110,625.